Creating a website like Indeed is a rewarding venture, tapping into a $30 billion market by 2028. High demand for job search engines and employer interest in online recruitment make it crucial to offer a platform that simplifies the hiring process and attracts a wide audience. Job boards are vital online portals connecting employers and job seekers. In 2022, 80% of candidates use them to find work. Essential features include comprehensive job listings, company profiles, resume uploads, search filters, and user dashboards, enhancing user satisfaction and engagement. Begin by defining your niche to tailor your platform for specific job positions and employers. Research competitors to identify gaps and gather insights from job seekers and employers. Document common feedback and prioritize features to implement, ensuring your platform meets user needs effectively. Select a robust technology stack for front and back-end development. Consider content management systems like WordPress or Drupal, programming languages such as Python and PHP, and databases like MySQL. Use job board plugins and frameworks to streamline development and ensure scalability and security. Design an appealing layout with key pages like home, job listings, employer, and job seeker sections. Ensure intuitive navigation with clear menu structures, consistent styling, and mobile responsiveness. Use visual aids like wireframes and infographics to enhance user experience and engagement. A clean layout and easy navigation are crucial for user engagement. Implement responsive design for seamless access across devices. So follow web content accessibility guidelines for inclusivity. Use wireframing tools to draft layouts, focusing on user journey mapping and visual hierarchy. Incorporate essential features like job listing functionality, search filters, resume uploads, and user accounts. Facilitate employer registration and job postings, and offer comprehensive search options. Enhance user experience with personalized dashboards, visual hierarchy, and effective call-to-action buttons. Optimize your site for SEO to rank on the first page of search results. Use keyword optimization, quality content, and meta tags. Implement structured data for better search engine understanding. This boosts visibility, attracting more traffic and engagement from job seekers.